into ownership faster in blue collar, skilled trade, electrician, plumber, HVAC technician, roofing, truck driver. But you cannot remain a solopreneur. You must build a business. You must build a business and then employ people. Anywhere you go, you're going to have to invest in coaching. You're going to have to do crap jobs, work long hours, stop looking for the fast track, quick. You're going to have to worry about the long, slow, deferred gratification. All the things you hear, and anybody who's been successful will tell you a lot of these things. And you don't get rich working for somebody else. Let me dispel you right this. You don't get rich as an employee. You don't get rich as an employee. You make other people rich. The deal is, as an employee, you exchange your time, skill set, and expertise in exchange for their systems, their security, and their exposure. And if you were smart, you will go in and negotiate the highest money you could get and go in and learn the most you can about the business of what you do, and then leave and do it for yourself. You don't get rich as an employee. And far too many guys want to get rich as workers. Rich comes from ownership. And the very few professions outside of ownership allow you to make enough money to separate yourself from the pack. Law, medicine, sales. There may be some other ones in there, but that's it for the most part. So when you're a Henry, a high earner, not rich yet, how do you continue to increase your value? That's what we're going to be talking about. That's for the men. And for the women, it's the value equation is different. But for the most part, I'm going to be focused on this increase your value thing, two separate tracks, 18 to 34 and then 35 plus. And I'm going to lump the men and women into a group together. Men 18 to 34 have different motivations than men 35 plus. Over 35, you pretty much are where you decided to be. And if you're not willing to make some wholesale major moves post 35, get content and happy with where you are. All right. So if you type in all caps, you will get blocked. You don't get to type any more than like 10 characters in all caps. Understand something. Software developers. Okay. Well, let me say this. Law, medicine, tech, sales. That should cover enough. Law, medicine, tech, sales. Then on I break Henrys into two categories. My white collar, which is law, medicine, tech, sales, and then my blue Henrys. Blue collar men have the quickest way to becoming high value, not white collar, because you can get into ownership faster in blue collar. Skilled trade, electrician, plumber, HVAC technician, roofing, truck driver. But you cannot remain a solopreneur. You must build a business. You must build a business and then employ people. Anywhere you go, you're going to have to invest in coaching. You're going to have to do crap jobs, work long hours, stop looking for the fast track, quick. You're going to have to worry about the long, slow, deferred gratification. All the things you hear, and anybody who's been successful will tell you a lot of these things. And trying to work around or do it for cheap or get over on somebody is the quickest way to make your name mud with people who could really help you. Because I would tell you, these guys talk. And if you think you're going to hustle somebody to like, oh man, nah. Too many of you guys trying to be high value. You want to be the number one. You want to be a king, especially you black guys. You want to be the one out in front. And I'm sorry, the market gets to decide. The market gets to decide who's out in front, and there's only one lead singer. Think about the five heartbeats. Everybody's fighting over the microphone. No, you want to control. You want to own the studio and the music and the masters. Damn, own the microphone. There's always some new star. Be the hand behind the throne or the ear of power. So we're talking about increasing your value. Ladies, increase your ability, increase your level of sophistication, increase your level of etiquette. Learn your way around the dinner table, around dinner parties, around any place or anything that men of the caliber that you want would be at or would live at. Learn these things. I've talked about being feminine, beautiful, inspirational. We already know that. But God, ladies, you also have to be two other things. You have to be fit and flexible, flexible in your mentality, flexible in your attitude, flexible in your body. So ladies, don't skip the yoga and the Pilates. Yoga, Pilates, cycling, swimming, all these things are your friends. Resistance training, strength. Men love flexible and fit women. Stylish and simple. Stylish and simple, ladies. Less is more.